Today for science, we are going to read about caribou. So caribou is another name for reindeer. So they're interchangeable. If someone says caribou, they mean reindeer, and if someone says reindeer, they mean caribou. So this story is called Caribou by Rachel Grapp. Built for winter. In far northern North America, herds of large deer live in wintry land. These deer are caribou. They are also called reindeer. Their bodies are built for winter. So take a look at this picture. This is an example of one of the habitats, places that they live. Caribou types. There are two kinds of caribou. Most are called barren ground caribou. They live in open areas. They migrate with the seasons. A few are woodland caribou. They live in forest. They tend to stay in one area. Special fur. Caribou have two layers of fur. The bottom layer is thick and woolly. The top layer has long, hollow hairs. These layers hold heat. Check this out. Caribou are strong swimmers. Their hollow fur helps them float. So they have two layers of fur. The bottom layer is really thick and the top layer is really long. So this allows the layers to hold in heat to keep them warm in their cold habitats. Caribou antlers. Caribou have huge antlers. They are covered in a hairy skin called velvet. Their antlers can spread 4 feet across. Caribou shed their antlers every year. They grow new ones later. So their antlers are right here. Bulls and cows. Caribou are big deer. They grow to be up to 8 feet long. The males, or bulls, can be twice as heavy as females. Females are called cows. Check this out. Caribou are the only female deer to grow antlers. Baby caribou. Cows have one calf each spring. Calves walk just minutes after birth. At 1 day old, they can run faster than a person. Calves grow their first set of antlers in autumn. So this is a calf or a baby caribou. Favorite food. Caribou eat I, lots of lichen. Lichens are a kind of tiny mushroom. They grow on trees and rocks. Caribou also gobble grass and shrubs. They eat about 11 pounds of food each day. So caribou are herbivores, meaning they don't eat meat. So they only eat plants. So they eat lichen, which are mushrooms, and then they eat different kinds of grass and shrubs. Helpful hooves. Caribou hooves are helpful tools. Caribou use them to dig out food. The hooves form sharp edges in winter. This keeps feet steady on icy grounds. Check this out. A caribou's feet click as it walks. The snapping gets loud when herds are on the move. On the move. Caribou live in the north in the spring and summer. In the fall, they migrate south. They find warmer weather and more food. Herds join together for the move. Groups can reach up to 500,000 caribou. They will be back next year. Lastly, take a look at this caribou, and it's a little diagram for us. It shows the velvet antlers here, white fur on the rump, two-layered fur, and the large hoof. So now, after reading the story, you're going to complete an activity.